Hi guys. Let's start with dropshipping with AliExpress. Dropshipping is the best way to create an e-commerce site without stock, without big investment and without worrying about shipping. All you need to do is list the product for sale on your online store and send an email to your dropshipping supplier to ship the product to your name each time you receive an order on your site. That's what AliExpress offers, which is a real marketplace, allowing you to find with disconcerting ease products for sale online on your e-commerce site, without you worrying about the stock or the price. Shipping. AliExpress includes a wide selection of products that you can sell on your online store in dropshipping, offering you a full service with very competitive prices. As most sellers on AliExpress are Asian-based manufacturers generally, the dropshipping is very simple with AliExpress. You can start selling dropshipping for free today. One of the good things about AliExpress is that there are no upfront fees, which allows you to test the reliability and quality of the products, so you can sell to your customers without any fear from you. AliExpress, what is it? Dropshipping with AliExpress remains a great way to get started with online sales once everything is set up. Good marketing and reaching customers first will allow you to have a definite advantage over the competition, but what really will make the difference will undoubtedly be an impeccable customer service. To arrive at this result, you need to configure your eShop. Now that you know that with AliExpress you can find suppliers in dropshipping and how to position yourself and your company, it is necessary to configure your site to be able to pass your first order. So first you have to select your niche and your products. Find the product for sale on AliExpress. It's quite easy to use, and if you do not know where to start, do not hesitate to consult the categories of AliExpress and choose the products you like and so you can sell. I will list for you several selection criteria. Your product must not meet all criteria but must respect as much as possible. Criterion 1, do not choose brand, counterfeit or imitation. Criterion 2, then, choose as soon as you can a product with an expedition in a packet. Sending it is completely free for you and therefore for your customer. Criterion 3, make sure that the product score is high, which allows you to have a quality product and that the customer reviews are therefore favorable. Privilege of the products with notes of minimum 4 or 5. Note, also uses a Chrome extension called AliExpress Seller Check, which will allow you to have a second opinion. Criterion 4, choose products with a minimum of 300 orders, a product with a lot of control to necessarily interested a lot of people, so it is a pledge of confidence in the product. Criterion 5, choose low-priced but high-margin products, especially products with a lot of high-quality photos of the products in question, without mark or logo. Do not be afraid to ask questions to suppliers. It is thanks to that you will have a helpful and communicative supplier. Integrate your products on your online store. Subsequently, add products to your e-commerce site. Once your niche is made and a supplier found, it's time to find and add the selected products to your shop. This step is full of details. That is to say that in choosing products you will have to make a unique description of the products and not copy the one of the supplier. Specify very precisely and clearly your shipping times to customers. Also use an order tracking application. It's a plus to keep your customers informed about the state of their purchases. In addition, you can offer free shipping, which could become a competitive advantage. Receive your first orders. When you receive an order, you will need to purchase the product in question on AliExpress and fill in the customer information. The seller AliExpress does the rest. Preferably choose the e-packet if the supplier is based in China. Depending on the processing time of your supplier, you will receive an email informing you that the order has been taken into account. You must click on the link of the email to consult the order and note the number of sending. From this moment, you can connect to your interface to process the order in question. From there, just wait for your customer to receive the order. Important when ordering on the AliExpress website, please note in the comment of the order that you are doing the drop shipping and that the customer should not receive advertising or invoice in the package. The cost of this sale and drop shipping. It is often wrongly thought that it is possible to create an e-commerce website and sell in drop shipping without money. This is partly true because you do not buy the stock, which is often a big expense. But to generate your first sales, you will have to pay to bring visitors to your site. At first, your site will not be well referenced in the search engine and therefore very little visible. It should start with a budget between 500 and 1,000 euros to put the odds on your side. In addition, when you receive your first orders, you will have to advance the money by going to AliExpress and placing an order with your credit card. If you go through a turnkey solution Shopify, you must count $30 monthly subscription. It is clear that the creation of a dropshipping online store is not to be taken lightly, but it is still very interesting. Refunds with AliExpress. However, AliExpress does not handle refunds or returns, so you will have to manage them from your side. When you encounter a problem with an order placed on your online store, because it has not been received or is not satisfied with its purchase, you must contact the AliExpress supplier to resolve the problem of non-receipt or use AliExpress buyer protection. In case of dissatisfaction, offer a refund. If it is a damaged product, then ask your customer for photos and send them to your supplier to ask them to remedy the situation. It only remains for you to grow your e-commerce site in drop shipping. Once you have made your first sales, you will only find concrete ways to grow your e-commerce in order to earn more money. With time and experience, you will be able to identify reliable suppliers and thus start to really maintain a long-term professional relationship. As a result, you will be able to consider forming partnerships and therefore benefit from advantageous prices and priority order processing. Once you have demonstrated that you are able to make regular sales, some sellers will really make you stand out by placing your logo on the products and include bills or custom labels in shipping packages. So do not hesitate anymore and launch into the e-commerce drop shipping. AliExpress offers you a turnkey opportunity to accompany you in your success. You have all the necessary information to successfully create your shop and add products without having to worry about stock or shipping. So check out the drop shipping with AliExpress. That's all for today. See you in another video.